eventually come back through here on my way back home.
Did you ever take a train from this station?
I have, yes. I've gone on military warrants to militia camps and at a variety of times as a regular passenger, and I just love traveling by train. Well, it makes me sad to see it in the stage that it's at. A lot of our early lives were geared around the railway itself.
No one's allowed to take it down, but it doesn't have to be fixed, so it's sort of a catch-22. How sad, because my grandfather's picture is up in that building over there. When you think how long it's been sitting here, people might think, well, maybe it can go another 10 years. It already has, but realistically, I don't think it could last another, 2.5, 3 years, especially through the winter months. And it'll just deteriorate. It'll fall down by itself.
It's always possible to dream, and sometimes you dream in technicolor, but this is less than that. It's more accomplishable than that.